Out, no. Get him. Girl, 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 girl. We got Moon out today. We're not gonna do no running, no nothing like that today because they've been exercised. They've been worked pretty good. We're just gonna let them hang out in the backyard today. Girl, girl. Moon got a lot of weight on her because she hasn't really been worked since I had Gray's litter. Moon's just kind of been my house dog who's been just kind of living that pet life. But it's getting warmer here again, so we're gonna start working her out again, get her back in shape. Moon is usually in tremendous shape. Super easy dog to keep in good shape. Girl, Moon out. Out. We get these heathens so that they don't go too crazy. Maybe I can clean the yard up some while I'm out here. One thing about having herder and these dogs is that when one dog is working, the other one's losing their minds. Girl, Gray. Someone's gonna take her off of that when he comes, I'm sure. Good boy. Go get it, someone. Apollo. Apollo. No. Come on. Apollo, come. Hey, Apollo. What's wrong with you? You hear me? All right. Hey, boy. Come on, Moon. Moon does not really be messing around with them lately. Look at her hair up and everything. Moon, chill out. What's that, baby? Chill out. My bad, Tyler. Got a lot going on. Hey, come on. Come on, Moon. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. What's up, baby? What's up, baby? What's up? Come on, Moon. Come on, Moon. Come. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Moon does not want to hang out with the other dogs lately. I don't know what that's about, but I know how to fix that. One good hike. We go on a hike together, stuff like that. One good play. We'll all be all good. We'll all be back to normal. It's been in the house so long, separated. And these dogs out here have been wild. We've just been able to run wild. Ain't that right, Grace? It's the wild dog now. That's Mama. That's Mama right there. It's the wild dog now. Grace, what's your problem? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Someone doing this finger thing. Good boy. What's up, Grace? Good boy. I gotta weigh Gray. I don't know how much he weighs now. I gotta get her on the scale. She's getting pretty big. She ain't as big as most like the predator defense dogs that I see, even the outcrosses that I see. A lot of them are bigger, and she's fed different though too. You know what I mean? She's on a good little diet. She got a good little nutrition plan, so that might have something to do with it too. But um, I would guess she's about 45 pounds right now. I'd say. Just still a good size for a 5 month old dog that's fed the way she is. So I'm out. Come on, come on, big boy. Summer, no. Come on, Moon. What you got? Get out of there, Moon. No, Moon. Get out of there. Leave that alone. Good girl, Gray. Summer, no. Good girl, Gray. Shit, got this. Good girl, Gray. Get up there. Get up there, Gray. Good girl. Get up there, Gray. Good girl. Good girl, Gray. Get up there. Get up there, Gray. Good girl. Good girl, Gray. Get up there, Gray. Get up there. Good girl. I want to get Gray on the bite sleeve soon. Good girl. What up, Apollo? What up, Apollo? What's better than this? What's better than that? Good girl. Good girl, Gray. Go get it.